Step into the 2013 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, power moonroof, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and leather upholstery. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.